comes in. Defang the snake. Defang the snake. Hit him in the leg. Hit him in the leg. Defang the snake. Defang the snake.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
What you do with the right hand, you can do with the left hand. So, if I've got the stick, if it was a single stick, I'm going high, low, high. Then you just switch. High, low, high. So now you're switching. High, low, high. High, low, high. High, low, high. High, low, high. If you want to then practice combining them together, okay, you're going to switch and go right hand, left hand, left hand. High, high, low, low, high, high. High with the right, high with the left. Low with the right, low with the left. You notice this? Dropped and hit. Came up, dropped and hit. It's teaching me weight transfer. Boom, low left. High right, high left. Okay, so high, high, low, low, high, 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 low, low, high, 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 low, low, high,